this slug don't mean this slug think he gonna be free and mention the trash can. Like, it's something. I don't smell smoke or shit. But I got something for his ass. Some Pepsi's on his ass. So what happens? So I want to see this slug. He think he's so slimy. Guess what, slimy? I'm slime. Remember that? I'm a slime boss. Scare his ass a little bit. Smoking, you know. Let's see here. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see something. I'm stupid with it though. He don't know what's coming though. He don't know what's coming though. He don't know what's coming. He think it's all good. Nah, bitch. This shit gonna melt your ass, motherfucker. Yeah. Think all fucking slime boss, nigga, fucker. You fuck with slime. Fucker. He ain't, that motherfucker not doing nothing. What is shit? I'm being sold on this mug. He doing nothing to him. Oh my god. He ain't dying. Really? What the heck? It's a slug. And it didn't hurt him. What the hell? Hold on. Look at this. Ugh. He's so slimy. Fuck that tray. Look at this. Slimy. What the hell? He's so slimy. Ugh. Fuck that tray. Look at this. He's so slimy. What the hell? It is unreal. I got this motherfucker really slimy. He really is a boss. Look at this. He ain't do it. Look at this. He really is slimy. Like, look at this motherfucker. He really slimy. He a thug. He thugging out here tonight. Man, I'll be damn. I'm gonna kill him though. He's a slug. He really slugging. He really thugging out here. I'll be damn. He thugging. He thugging out here. Look at this. He thugging out here. Hell, true thug. I know that. Thug love. You know? Look at that. Slimy. I'm out, man. He's a true slug. No slug. No, not slug. But he can't slug him. Because he's a real slug. Out here in the trash can. It's time of night. He a slug. Slug thug. Thug love, you know? He is a slug. I don't gonna lie. No cap. But he's a slug. I'm gonna go for this shit, though.